How to cancel order on PandaBuy. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's get started. If you want to cancel your order on PandaBuy, follow these simple steps. First, you want to go to pandabuy.com. Now click on your profile icon. From here, you want to click on User Center. Now over here, you want to click on Order. So if you have made an order, it's going to pop up right here. Since I do not have any orders, it's not showing up. But you're going to find your order here. You simply want to select it by ticking on the box. Then you're going to find the cancel order option. It is going to look something like this. So click on this and this box should open up. Now all you have to do is input a reason why you want to cancel your order. The reason can be change of mind or you don't want the order anymore. Whatever it is, select it and now click on the confirm button. After this, your order will be cancelled and you'll receive a notification to confirm your cancellation. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.